I almost missed this guy coming through here. That is nice. Got some more vehicles pulling in still. There's the side of that Bel Air. He's got on it.
That's the worst part. These things are honest.
Everybody's got their cameras out. There's the front of that Bel Air.
I like the grill with the grill bar.
That's beautiful, isn't it? Looks like we got some more cars coming in. Should be another view. Now these are all privately owned vehicles, you have to remember. This is just a car show they pulled together. It's all for charity. It's free to the public. But everybody that's pulling their car in today, just to pull into this parking lot's cost them $10. Of course, they're getting a free t-shirt out of it. But yeah, this event's really getting up. Just to get in there, and that all the money they're collecting is going to charity. Oh, just noticed something about this little truck.
I'm ready for the future. I just learned how to run a computer.
We got a junior.
Still don't know.
We got a little junior in there. Nice truck you got there, big guy. And Daddy's lacing down his vehicle on the back. Look at that. You drive that faster than Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Huh? You drive that faster? That yours? Yeah. That's a good daddy to buy you that, huh?
Not buy it, build it.
That's cool.
Oh, you built it?
This is cool right here.
Oh. This gentleman actually built this little car for his son. I like the bit of the truck.
Is that foot action or just pedal?
Just a push. It was originally a foot.
Oh, that's cool.
Modified it. He's got another one that's a foot.
That's bad.
That is cool, dude.
Ain't it? That's cool.
And that's his dad there. Get his face looking up
It's
there.
an original 60s Murray body.
Sick.
Started with that.
Yeah, I saw the welds. I was like, man, those are not machine welds.
Yeah, that's something else. Get a picture of this guy taking off with his son. He can get it started. I want to hear it. There we go. That's a good. That's a good dad. I don't know if you can keep it fun. He is head maybe. There's some, oh, here's an old motorcycle with a sidecar. What is this? Oh, it's a BMW. See, that's what we call a boxer engine. Oh, this is sweet. That is really sweet. Oh man, look at the way that sidecar's done out. Oh, I love this bike. Oh, I'm gonna get more pictures of this yet.